Hiya, this is just a quick short to let you know I've ordered something else off my niece Katie's website, and it comes today. So this is the design Katie created herself. She drew everything. She makes everything by hand anyway, using a machine as well. But she restocked last week, so I thought, right, because as you know, I've already got the, where's my scrunchie gone? I've got it ready because I'm going to put my hair up in a minute because it's going to be hot and I'm going out soon, so yeah, I'll leave my hair up, I think. Yeah, so anyway, well done Katie again. And when she restocked, because she's just totally sold out, I thought, right, I'll have one of them because I've got on my bag I've got this faux leather one, so if it rains it's okay. And on my keys I've got the other one, the tulip design that she made. They're on my keys. So I don't know what I'm putting this on like just yet, but I wanted another one. And I like to support Katie's website as well, a small business. So it's Katie Clouds, and this is how you will. I know I'm plugging her channel and I'm plugging her website, but she's my niece. It's allowed. So there you go. That's where you'll find our Katie. Yeah. So you can never have too many bookmarks, can you? I love reading anyway, so yeah, so thanks again Katie if you're watching this. And yeah, I'm dead proud of my niece. She's got a small business, Katie Clouds UK. You'll find her Instagram, she's on Facebook, she's on YouTube, and she's got a website. So yeah, a little plug for my niece. Yeah. Oh, and it was lovely wrapped in this tissue paper with Katie Cloud sticker on. So yep. So yes, I'm gonna go now. Zoom's on the radio. Fat Larry's band. It's a brilliant 80s song. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay safe. Keep smiling, be happy, and go to our Katie's channel. See ya.